Hello and welcome back to the VR world. In this video, I'm going to share a few instructions on how to access an app called First Steps. First Steps is the program that will teach you how to use the controllers while you're in the VR world. It is your absolute first step if you've never used an Oculus headset before. Let's get started. With your right hand, you'll notice on the screen that you can actually see movement for A, B, and my thumb actually moves to the joystick. Unfortunately, we can't track that bottom right button, which is the white oval, the Oculus icon button. So with your thumb, click on the menu button. When you click on the menu button for Oculus, you may just see this panel of options in front of you. Use your trigger finger to select the app library. Once your app library is open, simply find the app called First Steps. It's got a fun little alien character here. Use your trigger finger to open the app.